Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY. We're going to be doing some lanterns with everything purchased from the Dollar Tree. What you're going to need are some 5x7 picture frames, some 4x6 picture frames if you want to do different sizes, some candles. You'll also need some super glue, but if you don't have any super glue at hand, you can go ahead and use a glue gun. And of course, you'll need some glue sticks. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the wrapping from the picture frame and also the back. So ultimately, the only thing you're going to need is the glass and the frame itself. Then what you're going to want to do is grab your glue gun or your super glue, and you're going to glue each corner of the picture frame. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and place the glass right on top of that, and just make sure you squeeze it down so it sticks. So once you've glued the glass to the picture frame, you're going to go ahead and glue each corner of each picture frame to each other. I first went ahead and put some hot glue on the side of the picture frame, and then once I glued the two picture frames together, I went ahead and went back on the inside where they were glued together, and I placed some more hot glue there just to give it some extra support. I'm gonna be honest, these specific picture frames I struggled with because the edges were very thin and they were curved, as you can see. So I suggest if you guys do this DIY, you get the thicker picture frames that have the straight corners and edges. And you'll see in the next lantern how much easier it was than this one. And then I went ahead and got started with the 4x6 picture frames. And as you can see, these picture frames are thicker on the corners and on the edges. So this one was actually a lot easier to do. And you're just going to repeat the same steps, removing the back of the frame and just leaving the actual frame itself and the glass. And you'll want to go back in again and glue each corner, then place your glass on top. So you'll see here how much easier it was to glue this lantern together, and you can see how much thicker the corners and the edges are. So again, if you guys do decide to do this DIY, this is a style of frame that I suggest. The last thing I did was went ahead and grabbed some glass cleaner and I wiped down each side of the glass because since I was handling them a lot, you can see all the handprints and the fingerprints. You guys, look how pretty it turned out. I'm so happy with how it looks. And you'll notice that the candles that are inside this lantern are different from the ones that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I already had these on hand, but the Dollar Tree ones would look just as good. And this is the other lantern that I did. You'll notice that it's on a pillar. If you watched my DIY Dollar Tree pillar video, it's the same item that I used for this lantern. All I did was hot glue it and then place the lantern on top of this one. But it looks so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the positive feedback you guys have been giving me and for all the support you guys have been showing. It means so much to me and it motivates me to create more videos for you guys. Please give this one a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.